Hi, data import option is available under the administration tab. User can import the data for following five data assets. The Excel file should have one of these formats to upload the data, and user can import the data up to 50,000 records. Uh, First, for this video tutorial, I will be showing you how you can import data for data dictionary. The process of data import is same for all of the data assets. First of all, user have to download the sample file. I have already existing a sample file is available. This is a sample file which I have downloaded from the uh, data import option, and I've added my data as per my requirements. So I will be uploading this sample file here. Once the file is uploaded, user have to select one of these option. Either user want to update a record or add a new record. For data dictionary, by default, add new record is disabled. User cannot update a record. User cannot add a record for data dictionary. So update option will be available. I will be updating existing records. Find existing records. So this option, user can either select table id or source name. If a user select the id, user should be providing the table ids in the uploaded excel file, and on the basis of IDs, the data will be fetched in the DvSum application. If I am selecting the source name, then users should provide the same source name in a table name for the uploaded data, and the user data will be fetched on the basis of table name and the source name. This checkbox, do not update empty values, will be selected by default, and if my uploaded Excel file contains empty record, then these empty records would not get updated in the DvSum application. As all of the my required fields are added, data is uploaded. So next button is enabled, and I can move forward to the step 3. For the step 3, I can see the map fields and the unmapped fields. User can select the map fields and assign to any field using drop down option, which is available for all of the fields. And user can also remove all pre-selected pre-assigned map fields with this cancel icon. um, for the bulk option, user can use apply auto mapping and reset field mapping. So for now, I will be reselecting this option and moving forward with the import button. Once the user import the file successfully, the import success screen will be shown, and these two buttons will be available. I am done button will redirect user to the uh, data import step 1, and to go to dictionary button will redirect user to the respective dictionary listing page. I will show you the email which is received in 3 to 5 minutes after the import. This is the email which I have received as a result of data import. This shows 3 records are updated and 1 record is invalid because my table name was invalid for one of the records. You can download a copy of records from this download button. This is the downloaded file from the email which I have received. It shows these 3 tables are updated with the import status as updated, and one of the record which has invalid data will be shown as invalid status, and the remarks are also available which says why the data doesn't get uploaded and what are the reasons behind it. User can also upload a data using this download button. User can download the button. User can download a complete listing data from this button, and once the user has downloaded the button, user can click on this import button and re-upload the same file which user has downloaded from the listing page. So the process would be same for this file as well. User have to upload the file and reselect the table ID or the column name and source name, and then move forward with the import. Thank you.